long as the side it appears to be invisible. I'm going to show you guys the back of my hand and the front just to make sure. Now, if I want to get a coin out of my purse, all I have to do is turn the purse over, just like that.
Adesso, vabbè, c'è io. What's it?
ده انا اتوسخرت يا عيال.
One. I take the coin and I place it in my hand, I give it a little wave, and a squeeze. I'll show you both sides of my hand, but all I have to do is run the back of this one, snap my finger, right back. Now, when I was a little boy, my dad used to do, he would take the coin like this, throw it on the ground. Pull it out of range. Here, let me do it again, watch. Take the coin, throw it down. Now, where is it? Very good. But now it's invisible. If I want to take this invisible coin and make it visible again, all I have to do is squeeze, and just like that. Now that's a big coin, yes? Sometimes though it gets even bigger. Boom. All right, now that we got a lot of people, just a little bit back up. Here, you want to take one over there, one for your right hand? You want one? There you go. If you have a rope in your hands, here's what I want you to do. Take that rope and pull on it. Pull, pull, pull. Pull very hard. I want you to make sure of three things. Number one, those ropes don't come apart. Number two, this is my show and I'm the star. Number two, they don't stretch. And most importantly of all, number three, there's no little men or fairies hiding anywhere inside of it.
Don't stretch it.
How's that rope looking? Does it come apart? Good? Just a regular piece of rope? Yes. And how's that one looking? Good? All right. How you doing?
Good, you sir?
This is my manager right here. All right. So we have three pieces of red rope, which are all the same size. Yes? No, I need a round. All right. However, if I take these ropes and hold them up in my hands like this,
Sweet ride.
and like this, and like this, can we all agree from my hand up they're pretty close to the same size, yes?
Yes.
Now, in magic you never go left, you always go right. Because, just like that, the fibers of the rope will begin to expand while the long rope begins to shrink. And now we have three ropes which are all the same size. There's one, there's two, and there's three ropes that are now the same size. You guys know what you should do now? You should all clap for me. All right, I'm going to take these two pieces of rope, I'm going to tie them together in a knot. Just like that, everybody sees? I'm going to wrap the rope around my hand, like so. Now will you do me a favor and take that in? Would you blow right there, please?
No,
No, right there. Harder. Wait a minute, that's too hard.
that's
But,
hard.
look what you've done. Just like that, the rope is now restored.
Where are you guys from?
You guys want to see how that works? Yeah. After the show, and then you can talk to them all you want, okay? Thanks. All right, here's how it works. You take the rope up over there like that, through there, around there, down there, and just like that, you have a rope with a knot in it, yes? If you want to restore the rope, all you have to do is take the knot off, just like that, and your rope is that one solid piece. All right, who knows what this is? I'll give you a hint.
No.
Let me ask you guys a question. Do I look better without it or with it?
With it.
That's not the answer I was looking for. Here's what I'm going to do, though. If I take the ball, I place it into my hand, take the magic wand, give it a little wave, the ball goes away. What happens is it goes up here, across here, and down here, where it hides in my pocket. Now, if I take this ball and I scrunch it up real tight like that, will you do me a favor? With one finger, push right there like that. Oh, very good. You know what that does? It gives us two. Oh. Now, pay close attention. This gets a little bit complicated. I'm taking one ball, putting it in there, one here. I make a few magical gestures. Now, how many balls do I have? Would you say?
None.
None? No, they were right. I got one here and one there. None. If you like that one, watch. Watch very carefully. I have two balls. One. I take one ball, I put it there. I take one, I put it here. And just like that, they change places. All right. One up. Where were you? What's your name? Amelia. I have two balls. Yes, Amelia or Amelia. All right. That's number one. That's number two. Here's how you tell the difference. If you push on number one, nothing happens. If you push on number two, right. Okay, watch me, like this, straight down. Okay, go for it. Right there. Okay, try this. There's no kids here, right? Don't be offended, but this always works for women. What you need to do is just imagine the G-spot, and you'll find it. Amelia, you can't find it? And then you know we feel. Amelia. I know, I cheat. But do me a favor, hold out your hand. Here's what I'm going to do. You guys, I'm going to place this ball in your hand. I want you to squeeze as tight as you can, all right? Squeeze. Whoa. Turn it over, hold it up high. Don't move. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this ball, I'm going to place it into my hand. I'm going to attempt to make it jump from my hand and join the ball in Amelia's hand. One more time, the ball is going to go here. Join the ball over there, okay? You like holding onto my ball? One more time, watch carefully. The ball goes in, I take the magic wand, I go around like this, and around like that. I give it a tap here and a tap there. Did you feel that? No. Turn your hand over, open.
Oh,
Hey, hold out your hand for me. We're going to take these two balls, I'm going to place them in your hand. I want you to squeeze real tight, all right? Squeeze. Turn your hand over. Hold it up high. Did you feel that?
I feel that.
How many balls do you have?
Two.
Open.
Oh, see? Oh, I got three.
Hey, you guys, let's give our two assistants a big hand. All right, this is the oldest trick in the world. This is the cup of ball trick. You guys are from the Middle East. Where does this trick come from?
Where's the trick come from?
Egypt. Very good. Now, here's what you do. You take the cup face down, take the ball like this. Where are you guys going? I didn't leave when you got here. No, come now. I hate it when people walk out on me. All right, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the ball, place it underneath the cup, take the wand, give the cup a tap, and the ball becomes invisible on the other side. If I take that invisible ball, lay it back on top, give it another tap, the ball goes through the top of the cup and becomes visible once more. Now, afterwards, okay? Here's the game. I drop the ball in the cup. I turn the cup over, I take the ball, and I put it in my pocket. What you guys got to figure out, is it under the cup or in my pocket, okay? I haven't done anything yet. But we're going to do it now. Watch carefully. You're having way too much fun out here. That's good. I drop the ball in the cup. I turn the cup over, I take the ball, I put it in my pocket. Now, is it under the cup or is it in my pocket?
Where is it? Where? Oh, is it?
Well, I cheated. There's actually a little vortex. Watch. The ball goes right through the cup. I'm going to do it one more time from the top, just like that. Okay, I take the ball, I drop it in the cup. I turn the cup over, I take the ball, I put it in my pocket. Is it under the cup or is it in my pocket? Very good, you finally got it. So here's what I'm going to do. If I leave the ball up front, give the cup... If I leave the ball up front, give the cup a tap. How many balls under the cup now? Two?
Three.
Wait a minute. Oh, do you guys like that one? Watch. You'll love this. I got a lime to go with it. I know. That's a good one, right?
That's good.
All right. This is my grand finale, guys. But first, here's my little story. You guys, my name's Murray. I'm what's called a street performer. And what that means is I don't get paid by anybody to be out here tonight other than tips and donations from my audience. Oh yeah, nobody's laughing now, huh? You guys, this is how I make my living. I'll let you know. Whenever I get a 5 in my hat, I feel great. When I get a 10, I feel like a star. And when I get a 20, I feel like a superstar. Nobody's ever tipped me a 50 or 100 yet. So if one of you guys are the first, then I'm going home with you tonight. All right, I learned this trick when I was 5 years old. My grandpa, why don't you guys come in and fill up there? My grandpa called out to me one day. He says, Butch. Now my name's not Butch, but Grandpa was a little bit senile. He said, Butch, go and get me a bottle of Coke just like this one here. He took that bottle of Coke and he placed it in a brown paper bag just like this one here. And this is what he did. He went once. He went twice. He went 3 times. Whoosh. And you know what he said? He says, Butch, that bottle's disappeared. Well, I was 5 years old at the time, and I said, Grandpa, that's the most amazing thing I've ever seen. He says, no, Butch, this is the most amazing thing you've ever seen. And with one fell swoop, he went whoosh. Oh, you guys aren't going to believe this. But he brought that bottle right back. Oh, you guys, no sense of family. All right, I'm going to do this one more time. Whoa, sweetie. Okay, this is going to go on this table, though. Once, twice, 3 times, whoosh. And I'm telling you, the bottle was gone.
Yeah, they didn't.
Why are you laughing?
Cause I know it.
Oh, buddy, you're not going to deserve anything. All right. What?
It's a glass. Where's the bottle?
It's gone, my dear.
Wow.
Listen, thank you guys very much. If you had a good time and you got a sensation, then please let